Alright, so since we have the door panel apart, which is right there, and that video is, we're gonna take the mirror off. So we got 3 10 mils, pretty simple. We got a locking mechanism right here. And let's try to take her out and see what happens. Oh, you know what? I bet you it would be easier to take them out and do it in our hand. Let's do that. Uh-oh, she's ready to fall out. So we got one last 10 mil. We got the other 2 out. Let's see what happens. Let's get this guy out. Can we? No, she shouldn't fall. All right, so let's make sure this is the right way of doing it. So, hang tight. Got her out. So that green clip holds it in, and we still have to unplug her, but we can do that once we get it out in our hands. So let me do that. Let me show you guys how to unplug this stupid thing. So be right back. And voila, she's out. So let me show you how stupid this thing is. This clip, this safety clip, is bigger than the clip you actually have to push down. Ain't that some crazy? Look at this. Look how tiny this thing is. I use this guy to push it in. So you pull this guy back, the red one. Pull it back and push this guy in. And that's it. Look at this. How tiny this is compared to the actual clip, the safety clip itself. How stupid. All right, let me put this thing back. There you have it. So, like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.